Sammy Cat Crew. How you do? How you do? Welcome back to another video. Grocery haul video, y'all. Went to Sam's, Harris Teeter, and Publix. Can't forget about Publix, y'all. Yes. Pick up a few things that we needed and some of what I wanted. Y'all know how that is. Gotta get what we need and some of what I want. That's how it works over here. Alright, so anyway, so let me just go ahead and get started with what we got. So, I like to get the small bottles, Deer Park water. This came from Sam's Club. Everything is just unorganized. I just put them wherever, child. Anyway, Deer Park, Sam's Club. We got these Boathouse immunity drink. This drink is really good, y'all. If you're looking for a good immunity drink, this is definitely one of them right here. And this is another one, the Suja. We got 2 cans of the boiled peanuts. I don't care for them, but that's not for me. We got some Homemaker Premium Orange Juice. I love orange juice anytime, anywhere. Doesn't matter. And there go my babies right there, child. I got 2 of them. These were buy one, get one free. Cranberry ginger ale. I can only find them at Publix. Have not been able to find them anywhere else except Publix. So I try to get them when I go in there. We got some Florida Natural Fruit Splash. Got some Concord Grape. This is a juice cocktail. And, well, the same thing. I got 2 of them. Let me just say like that. Thought I was doing something, child. Okay, and then y'all can move out the way. I'm moving them to the side as I get to them. Alright, I got some eggs I got from Harris Teeter, the little 6 count. Oh, I got another count in the car. I gotta get my eggs. Lord, it's so hot. The egg gonna be frying in the car. There's one of this little Xbox gift card. We got some chicken wings, $1.84. Another pack because I guess out the door date is tomorrow, so they're trying to get them out the door. Got them on sale. We got some Lord, what you call these things? Avocados. These avocados. Fuzzy fruit. Yeah. No. Wait a minute. What the devil these things is? What these things called? Hey, what these things called? What these little things called? I forgot now. Kiwi. Okay, I was thinking kiwi. Woo, child. I don't know how I'm making it. Alright, and then I got some zero sugar lemonade. We got 1, 2, 3 pineapple, kale, and zinc. We got some halos. This right here, Sam definitely caught his eyes. It is that thing smells so good, y'all. It's seasoned cut up chicken legs quarters. Oh, I didn't know that what it was. I thought it was just some peppers and stuff. Okay, well, y'all know where that going to. And we got 2 of them seasoned cut up chicken leg quarters. Oh my God, that thing, no, it smells good. And then we got some stuffed mushrooms. This is Baby Bella mushrooms. Garlic Parmesan also going on the grill. We got some salmon from Sam's on the grill. Alright, y'all, we went bananas with these meals right here. We had tried them once from Publix. They had looked so good. And they were on sale. This is the steak and corn. They were $1.58. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 of them. Sam got happy, so threw 10 of those in the buggy. We got some pineapple chunks, some juju fruits, some potato salad. Got some of that Kerrygold butter. Ooh, child, that season thing smelling real good up in here. We got one of the this is the onion, peppers, and all that good stuff. Not like the one we normally get, but they didn't have any of those, so it is what it is. And then these boys like these prime drink. Got a bag of broccoli. Needed some more ketchup for sure. Got some milk. He also got the orange and beet, 2 of those, and this other thing of the pineapple and zinc. And then I needed some more paper plates, so I got some more to add to my stockpile. And yeah, that's about sums it up, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put these things up where they need to be, and that's gonna be it for today. Until Sam get ready to go outside and put this stuff on the grill. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul video. And as always, we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.